Manufacturing is all about operations. As a manufacturing leader, do you spend most of your time in planning day-to-day operations? Does your plant have data that doesn't provide you much insights? Do you face frequent changes in production schedules and delays? Do you really want insights from the data and improve the operational efficiency of the plant? Hi, I am Payal Saluja, Chief Product Officer, DigiXLT Consulting. Here's a solution for you. Introducing digiSmart, a flexible cloud-based platform designed to take stress out of your operations. With digiSmart, you will easily digitalize all manufacturing processes starting from production planning, scheduling, job allocations, recording data at shop floor to inventory tracking. Its real-time dashboards and auto-generated custom reports give you instant access to key performance metrics, helping you make data-driven decisions. And the best part is, it's quick to set up with no huge investments or long timelines. digiSmart can be customized to meet out your specific organizational needs. So, are you ready to make your factory smarter and take your operations to next level? Get started with digiSmart.